Hi guys, welcome back to the Flawless Beauty channel. Today we are going to do a fun do-it-yourself / try-on haul. So we are going to tie-dye. Notice the tie-dye shirts. Yep, tie-dye. I did this with the Tulip brand tie-dye. And I'm going to show you guys how I do it. I'm not going to do a heart. This is the heart. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to tie-dye. So, and I will link these below if you want to get in on the cool tie-dye action. So, this is the first thing I am going to tie-dye. A cute little crisscrossy back crop top. Super cute, right? Yes. And I'm also going to tie-dye this beefy, as it's called, Hanes t-shirts. I like to size up for these because I like to sleep in them and get comfy cozy. I actually sized up on this. That obviously is like super big. But yes, so we're going to tie-dye that. I think I'm going to do this like a navy and maybe like a turquoise and coral color for this one. Yeah, but I'm going to take you along, show you the process. Super easy. And there's actually a few ways you can tie-dye. So the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to do the clothing dry. This is dry. It comes out really vibrant, but you can also totally soak whatever you're going to tie-dye in water, wring it out really good, and then you tie-dye it damp. This kind of gives more of like a pastel, not so in your face, bright colors. And then you can also tie-dye with ice, and I've done that before too. And you don't have much control of the colors. You can't make really super cool patterns or anything. Hi, Paisley. Hi. So yes, we're going to tie-dye, and I'm going to take you with it. And it's going to be totally fun. And I wear tie-dye all the time. What about you guys? Tie-dye? No? Yes? Maybe? Okay, so follow along and see the end results at the very, very end. And that's the best part, the reveal. So stay tuned, guys. So, how do we like this one that came out? I waited almost overnight. I waited overnight before I rinsed it in cold water until the water ran clear, and then I threw it in the wash by itself. But this was with the hot pink and the turquoise. It kind of gave some purple, which is my favorite color. I almost wish the bottles were bigger. I'm not a fan of all the white, but I like it. The back came out good as well. And this is going to make like an amazing night shirt, a shirt to throw over like on the beach when it's cooler in the evening. So yeah, loves it. Okay, so this one has got to be my favorite tie-dye I have ever done, mainly because the shirt is so freaking cute. I love this crop top, and it looks so amazing with the tie-dye. So this was with the navy tulip dye and with the scrunching method, and I absolutely love it so freaking much. The back is cute and strappy, and your girl is going to be wearing this like all summer long. So make sure you guys comment, tell me what your favorite is. If you've ever done tie-dye, how do you do it? Do you do the dry dye, the wet dye, the ice dye? Tell me. I would love to hear. I love tie-dye, and I love trying out new techniques. So tell me below. And as always, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, do all the things. Thanks for watching, guys.